Hello, hello. So what I have in front of me, what I'm going to be talking about, what I'm going to be discussing about is the design essentials. Let me clear this up for you. Okay. Design essentials, natural honey and shea edge tamer, and it's now with almond and avocado oil. And it's for all curl types and save up to 30 minutes styling time. And this is what it looks like. I'll definitely show you the consistency of what it's like. So yeah, this is what I've been using a lot lately. This is actually my second jar. You can tell I've been using a good amount of it. You really don't need a lot. The only thing about this product is that it's kind of oil based a little. I mean, it's not like jelly, like some edge controls have that gel paste to it, kind of like not necessarily mousse, but gel, like gooey, watery based edge control. This one isn't. It just has a little. It leaves a little oil consistency on it. So if your hair doesn't like to have any oil around it or may curl back up or don't lay down flat like it's supposed to, then this may not be for you. But you can always mix it with another type of edge control that does have a gel to lay it down. It just has that smell. It smells amazing. It smells like, let me go into full detail. Oh, sweet. It smells so sweet. It smells like honey, and I would think that it smells like honey and I don't know. It don't really smell like avocado, but it kind of smells like honey a little bit. It just smells really sweet. They have other edge controls as well, but I just like this one because it says natural on it, and I'm natural, so except that I have just some color in my hair, but other than that, natural, that's right up my alley. So this is the jar, what it looks like. And then let me clear this up. So it's just telling you, come on now. Okay. Is a moisturizing firm hold edge control designed for curly to coily hair that smooths and lays down the hairline. Why do I feel like I can? Okay, let's get this situated more. Okay, I think this is better. Okay. And just applying this, you can, dip your finger in it and put it on. I'm trying to figure out what the top is. Oh, okay, there we go. Now just kind of put a small amount on your finger, and then you can lay it down, on your hairline or whatever. And then if you have a small brush or a comb, or if you just kind of use your fingers and just place it wherever you want around the hairline, enough, put it back. It's totally fine. It's totally up to you. It does have a little small sticky consistency to it, so you don't really need a lot of it. A little goes a long way. See, I can, because what I'm doing now, all I'm going to do is just put this right in my hair so you can see what's. So it leaves a nice shine too. Not only is it natural, but it leaves a really nice shine to your hair. So that's one of the things I like. And it's like, see, it's just small sticky consistency to it. It's not big, it's not huge. It's manageable. But if your hair won't, lay down with anything as far as like with this product is concerned, you will probably want to mix it with some clear gel just so it can lay down. I know I have before, especially when I'm doing something active and I use this on my hair. I like to just add a little bit of clear gel, you know, on. I like to mix it. I like mixing it at the same time, like not putting one on the other. Like I have grabbed some of this and grab some of my clear gel to mix it and apply it on, and it stays. It really does stay. Lay down the edges with some a scarf, place it around, and you're good to go. I would definitely talk about the clear gel that I use as well. But yeah, I absolutely love this edge control, or as it says right here, edge tamer. I never really had time where I felt like I had to add on with the 30 minutes. I don't know. I'm trying to understand that. Save up to 30 minutes styling time. Well, I understand what it means, but that never really happened to me. The only thing I really do, I just put it around my edges and put the scarf around, and I'm good to go. But anyway, then believe on, it's just something completely totally different. Okay. Oh, and another thing, do not put this in the heat, because I witnessed where it started to melt. Well, duh. But I witnessed that this thing will melt quick and it'll just be like really oily. That's one thing. I just wanted to say that because, you know, you learn. But anyway, so again, this is the Design Essentials Natural Honey and Shea